So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what is calendar visual in Power BI. So the calendar visualization is a very unique visual that allows you to show the distribution of values across a calendar. It allows us to visual the data point on each date on the calendar. Darker the color implies the higher value for that particular cell. So for this tutorial, I have made this calendar visual. This shows sales by order date. So basically, I am putting all the sales by each date of order. So over here, I have 3 years of data, which is starting from 2015 to 2017. If you see these dates, so this is the most darker sale if you talk about 2015, which implies that on this day maximum sale was generated for that particular year, which is 2015. If you talk about 2017, then this sale on this date maximum number of sales was generated in 2017. So in this way we can get insight from this calendar visual. Let's see how one can make this. So first of all, it is not a built-in visual, so we have to import it. So let's see how we can import this. So click on these three dots, click on get more visual. Now search for calendar, go down. Yeah, this visual, the calendar visual you can add. Just click on this add. I will click on new page. Now over here I will add calendar visual. Will maximize it. Now in category I will put order date, and in Y I will put sales because we want sales by sprint. Now there are various properties that are available. For example, sales color. So let's say we want this color. So as you guys can see, we have successfully created a calendar visual which shows sales by order date. So in this way, one can make calendar visual in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.